Are you curious about how billion-dollar companies predict customer behavior? Today, we'll reveal the market research secrets that lead to their success. These techniques drive decisions for brands like Netflix, Amazon, and Apple. First, let's explore behavioral analytics. This method analyzes customer behavior online. It helps companies tailor experiences just for you. Next is A/B testing. This involves comparing two versions of a product. By measuring responses, companies find what works best. Now we move to ethnographic and psychographic research. Ethnographic research studies consumers in their natural environment. Psychographic research dives into your lifestyle and values. Combined, they provide a deep understanding of consumer needs. Then, we have GIS and location analytics. This technique analyzes customer data based on geography. It helps brands target customers effectively in various locations. Social listening is next. Companies monitor social media to hear what you're saying. They track trends and adjust strategies accordingly. Customer journey mapping visualizes the entire customer experience. This allows brands to identify pain points and improve. Finally, there are focus groups. These gather feedback directly from customers about products. It's a powerful tool for gathering insights and making changes. As you can see, these methods work together for success. Brands like Nike and Starbucks use them to stay ahead. Remember, understanding your customers is key to thriving. Embrace these strategies, whether you're a startup or a giant. So, what's your next step? Start applying these secrets in your business today. Unlock your potential and watch your company grow. Understanding these techniques can give you a significant competitive edge. By implementing these insights, you can not only attract new customers but also retain existing ones. Consider how utilizing behavioral analytics can reveal patterns in your audience's online interactions, leading to personalized marketing that resonates. Moreover, through A/B testing, you can refine your offerings based on real-time feedback, ensuring your products meet consumer preferences. Ethnographic and psychographic research further enrich your understanding, enabling you to connect with consumers on a deeper level. Analyzing geographic information systems, GIS, provides strategic insights into location-based preferences, enhancing targeting. Social listening keeps you in tune with your audience's sentiments, allowing for agile adjustments. When you map the customer journey, you identify touchpoints that necessitate improvement, enhancing overall satisfaction. Finally, engaging with focus groups offers a direct pipeline to crucial insights from consumers, shaping your strategies effectively. By weaving these approaches into your decision-making, you'll pave the way for sustainable growth and innovation in your industry. Now, it's time to take action and integrate these methods into your business blueprint for lasting success. These techniques are not just for the big players. Small businesses can harness similar strategies to understand their customers better. Begin by analyzing your online interactions with behavioral analytics to see what content resonates most with your target audience. Next, use A/B testing on your website or marketing materials to view which versions produce greater engagement. Harnessing ethnographic and psychographic research could provide insights into the values and lifestyles of your clientele, helping you create tailored experiences. Geographic information systems, GIS, will allow you to pinpoint potential customers in your area, maximizing outreach efforts. Don't underestimate the power of social listening, which helps you capture and respond to feedback effectively. By mapping the customer journey, your business can address specific pain points that may hinder experiences. Lastly, focus groups can provide invaluable feedback before launching new products. Implementing these methods enables sustained growth, empowering your business to thrive in a competitive landscape. By adopting these insights, you're not just keeping up, you're setting the pace for innovation and customer satisfaction. Embrace this knowledge, and witness your business flourish as you turn challenges into opportunities for growth and success. Together, let's transform how we connect with consumers in a rapidly evolving marketplace.